how to make a background like this. First I will create a white solid. To draw the lines, I will select the pen tool and create a shape like this. I will remove the fill completely and add a gradient stroke to the line. I will set the stroke width to about 220 pixels. Now let's change the colors. I will put some blue here and some pink over here. I will spread out the gradient control points to make it look nicer. Next, I will apply the wave warp effect to our shape. Set the wave type to uncircle. I will set wave height to 300 and the wave width to 200. Now I will add the fast box blur effect. Place it under the wave warp and set the blur radius to somewhere around 160-170. This is what we get. We can tweak the width and height of the waves to change the look completely. We can also play around with rotation and scale. Then I will add a warp effect and set the warp style to vertical. Here is the result. I will reduce the wave speed to make the animation slower. And now you know how to make a background like this.